What's up, guys? Hi guys, welcome back again to my vlog, and it's me, your senyoritong vlogger. I will give you tips on how to make a very good comment or feedback para sa inyong mga estudyante. As you have heard it right, I am somewhat like more or less 1 year working as an English tutor in 5-1 Talks. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung gaano ka-importante ang paggawa ng lesson memo, kung tawagin, or yung feedback sa mga estudyante. Well, for one, importante siya kasi doon tinitignan ng mga estudyante yung kanilang performance within the given period, within the given subject or topic or lesson. So, napaka-importante na right after with that lesson, napaka-importante na gumawa agad tayo ng lesson or memo lesson. So, ano ba yung nakalagay doon? So, meron kang dalawang fill upan pagdating sa lesson memo. So, una, you have to identify the general performance ng bata sa lesson. Pangalawa, yung kanyang weakness, right? So, ang pinaka-secret doon is that you have to make your personalized memo lesson. So, personalized siya in a sense na kasi once you make a memo lesson with your student, may nakalagay na doon na suggestion. So, pwedeng i-change mo yun siya, pwede mong pipindutin mo lang yung change at mag-change siya. Alright? Pero in my case, I make it personalized. So, ang ginagawa ko, nagbe-base ako doon sa kung ano talagang performance ng bata. Or sometimes, mini-mention ko yung pangalan ng bata. Say for example, Lulu. Right. So, say for example, you've been very good student today, Lulu. And you've improved a lot when it comes to your speaking skills and your interaction skills. Parang ganon. So, pwede mo siyang i-personalize. Lagyan mo pangalan. And also, pwede mo na Teacher Neil is very happy to see that you've been improving since day 1. Ganon. So, general siya. And then, pagdating naman doon sa weakness ng bata, magpipik ka lang dun ng may naka-given options doon, like yung fluency ba niya, yung mali niya, yung kailangan improve, yung grammar ba, yung pronunciation, o yung vocabulary. So, pipik ka lang doon. So, kung pronunciation, so, of course, kailangan mong mag-state kung bakit niya kailangan i-improve yung pronunciation skills niya. So, most probably, kapag meron akong mga level 1 or level 0 na students, so, naglalagay ako ng pronunciation based doon sa mga vocabulary niya. Sa mga words, mga keywords, may mga ganun, may mga keywords. So, kailangan ilagay mo yan doon. So, say for example, you've done great today. However, I want you to practice more on your pronunciation, such as your keywords for today. So, mayroong mga keywords doon. So, ganun. You cannot go directly to the weakness. So, dapat meron munang positive side. Okay? So, that's what we call a sandwich method. Ang sandwich method po kasi, isa siyang paraan na ginagamit ng mga ESL company. Kasi kung puro naman direkta ka dun sa negative, walang magbubuk sa'yo na estudyante kasi syempre, ang gusto nilang mabasa is positive muna. Wow, however, in that note, meron kang negative pero hindi siya masyadong na-highlight kasi nga meron kang positive, negative at positive. Nasa gitna siya. Right? So, hindi siya ma-highlight. And yan po, sandwich method. So, negative nang sinasabi mo pero hindi siya ma-highlight kasi meron kang dalawang positive na nakapalaman. So, nakapailalim siya. Alright, so, yung pong tatandaan niyo, once you make a comment or a lesson memo, you try to make it a sandwich method para hindi masyadong frustrating pagdating doon sa mga estudyante. And also, once you are working with 5-1 Talk, kailangan up to date ka sa mga lesson memo mo. Say for example, may klase ka ng from morning. So, ang alam ko kasi from morning bibigyan ka lang ng allotted time hanggang before 6 p.m. So kailangan na ipasa mo na yon, or else magkakaroon ka ng incurred na mga penalties. So magkano ba yun? Nasa 30 plus ata. So sayang din ang 30 plus mo. Right? So well, anyway, it's been a fun experience working here in 51 Talk. So madami silang mga perks, madami silang mga incentives para din sa mga teachers. So what you need to do lang is to book, to open. The more slots you open, the more money you will earn. So yun lang ang sekreto doon. Alright, so I hope you learned something from my vlog today, and that's all. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click that bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng aking video uploads. Right, until next time, this is your senyoritong vlogger, and see you again. Goodbye.